Claim for house building advance shall be made in dash. A. TR 59, B. TR 32, C. TR 42, D. TR 12. Answer C. TR 42. A receipt for sum exceeding dash shall be stamped with a revenue stamp. A. 500, B. 2000, C. 1000, D. 5000. Answer D. 5000. Dash shall never be repaid in part. A. Fixed deposit, B. Earnest money deposit, C. Court deposit, D. Civil deposit. Answer B. Earnest money deposit. The Director of Treasuries shall inspect each district treasury at least once in a dash. A. Year, B. Month, C. Week, D. None of the above. Answer A. Year. The Treasury Officer refer the disputable claim to dash. A. Director of Treasuries, B. Government, C. Finance Secretary, D. Accountant General. Answer D. Accountant General. Rent of Treasury chest should be credit to the government under dash. A. 0040 other administrative service, B. 0070 other administrative service, C. 0098 other administrative service, D. 0022 other administrative service. Answer B. 0070 other administrative service. Files of specimen signature of drawing officers shall be preserved for dash. A. 10 years, B. 5 years, C. 2 years, D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above. Transfer of saving bank account will not be done in the month of dash. A. March, B. April, C. January, D. December. Answer A. March. Election deposits are refunded on the basis of authorization by dash. A. Candidate, B. District Collector, C. Returning Officer, D. Chief Electoral Officer. Answer C. Returning Officer. No packet containing valuables should be received at a treasury for safe custody unless it is dash. A. Properly counted, B. Properly packed, C. Properly sealed, D. None of the above. Answer C. Properly sealed. Anticipatory pension payment order is issued by dash. A. Head of Department, B. Director of Treasuries, C. Head of Office, D. Accountant General. Answer D. Accountant General. Personal deposit account checks have the validity of A. 6 months, B. 3 months, C. 2 months, D. 4 months. Answer B. 3 months. The drawing officer shall cancel any check which has remained unpaid for dash months. A. 12, B. 24, C. 6, D. 3. Answer A. 12. In the checkbook required for administrators of personal deposit accounts are printed by whom? A. Treasury Officer, B. District Form Officer, C. Stationery Director, D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above. In the procedure of verification of treasury balance, when there is a change treasury officer or chief treasurer is explained in A. Rule 52 KTC Volume 1, B. Rule 150 KTC Volume 1, C. Rule 312 KTC Volume 1, D. Rule 88 KTC Volume 1. Answer A. Rule 52 KTC Volume 1. Dash is prepared in form TA8. A. Daily sheet of subtreasury, B. Cash balance register, C. Head accounts daily balance sheet, D. None of the above. Answer C. Head accounts daily balance sheet. Objection statements issued by Accountant General shall be replied within dash. A 2 weeks, B a week, C 3 days, D a month. Answer A 2 weeks. In the agreement between Government of Kerala and RBI regarding deposit of money in approved bank was signed in dash. A 1952, B 1958, C 1972, D 1974. ആൻസർ സി 1972. Charges relating to remittances of coins and notes between two treasuries, neither which has a currency chest, should be borne by dash. A RBI, B Treasury Director, C Government, D Party concerned. Answer C Government. Register of recoveries shall be maintained as per rule dash. A 114 KTC വോളിയം 1, B 427, C 85, D 19. ആൻസർ ബി 427 KTC വോളിയം 1. All checks shall be written and signed in dash. A black ink, B red ink, C blue ink, D indelible ink. Answer D indelible ink. Life certificate shall be produced by pensioner in the month of dash every year. A January, B December, C March, D April. Answer B December. There shall ordinarily be a subtreasury at the headquarters of every dash. A district, B assembly constituency, C taluk, D municipality. Answer C taluk. The procedure for payment of grant in aid bill of schools are explained in dash. A rule 88 KTC വോളിയം 1, B റൂൾ 197, C റൂൾ 114, D റൂൾ 18. ആൻസർ ബി റൂൾ 197 KTC വോളിയം 1. The procedure to be followed for daily closing of treasuries are detailed in dash. A റൂൾ 178 KTC വോളിയം 1, B റൂൾ 75, C റൂൾ 401, D റൂൾ 84. ആൻസർ ബി റൂൾ 75 KTC വോളിയം 1. A gazette officer can draw the following claims without authorization from Accountant General. A leave salary, B pay, C dinner allowance, D travelling allowance. Answer D travelling allowance. In the treasury officer and DAR shall both be present in person whenever in the double lock strong room open. A junior superintendent, B head accountant, C chief accountant, D chief treasurer. Answer D chief treasurer. Dash is personally responsible for entries in column 7 to 11 of bill book. A treasury officer, B drawing officer, C controlling officer, D chief treasurer. Answer A treasury officer. A gazette officer who is head of office delegate his power of drawing contingent bill to a gazette officer under him as per dash. A റൂൾ 164 KTC വോളിയം 1, B റൂൾ 178, C റൂൾ 187, B, D റൂൾ 112 A. ആൻസർ സി റൂൾ 187 B KTC വോളിയം 1. A treasury padlock which is out of order shall be sent to dash. A director of treasuries, B PWD engineering workshop, C PWD mechanical executive engineer, D district stationery officer. Answer B PWD engineering workshop. In the treasurer may be allowed to hold in his separate custody a sum of dash for the convenient transaction of government business. A 10,000, B 1000, C 5000, D 50,000. ആൻസർ സി RS 5000. Treasury officer shall verify coins and notes dash A. Once in every week, B. Once in every month, C. Once in every 6 months, D. Every day. Answer B. Once in every month. The persons to be signed in receipts for money in the treasury is explained in rule dash A. 198 A, B. 414 B, C. 120 F, D. 190. Answer C. 120 F, KTC Volume 1. In the bill entry with below rupees should be recorded in dash A. Blue ink, B. Black ink, C. Green ink, D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above. Rule dash is relating to the verification of banking treasuries. A. 61 B. 81 C. 114 D. 118. Answer A. 61. In the bulk of the treasury, cash balance is generally known as dash A. Anamatha, B. Balance sheet, C. Main store, D. Reserve fund. Answer C. Main store. In the check register in form TA3 shall be written up dash A. Daily, B. Monthly, C. Weekly, D. None of the above. Answer A. Daily. A register of a telegraphic transfer is prepared in form A. TA28, B. TA12, C. TA18, D. TA13. Answer C. TA18. As a general rule, no check shall be issued for a sum of less than A. 100, B. 10, C. 50, D. 25. Answer B. RS 10. Liability certificate is issued by dash A. Accountant General, B. Head of Office, C. Government, D. Head of Department. Answer D. Head of Department. A bill becomes a voucher when it is dash A. Passed, B. Paid, C. Adjusted, D. Submitted. Answer B. Paid. A register of drafts issued is maintained in form A. TA12, B. TA18A, C. TA21B, D. TA8A. Answer B. TA18A. Alteration memorandum in form TA8 is addressed to dash A. Accountant General, B. Director of Treasuries, C. District Treasury Officer, D. Finance Secretary. Answer A. Accountant General. A register of advances made recovered is prepared in form dash A. TA20, B. TA30, C. TA21, D. TA24. Answer A. TA20. Bills for contingent expenditure exceeding DAL shall be attached to all sub-voucher A. RS 500, B. 100, C. 2000, D. 1000. Answer D. RS 1000. In the surrendered check leaves shall be destroyed in the sub-treasury in the presence of dash A. Deputy Director of Treasuries, B. Joint Director of Treasuries, C. District Treasury Officer, D. Sub-Treasury Officer. Answer C. District Treasury Officer. Sub-treasuries shall be inspected by officer deputed by director once in dash A. 6 months, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 12 months. Answer B. 2 years.